How many times has humanity hardly existed? How many times have our ancestors been 1 second, one mistake, one wrong decision away from disappearing forever from Earth's history? 3 million years ago, on a sweltering morning in prehistoric Africa, a group of Australopithecines faced this second one. The serpent emerges from the shadows like a river of death. Scales glow under the killer sun. The jaw opens. Curved fangs drip with venom. And hominids, naked and defenseless, realize that this may be the last day of the lineage that will one day dominate the planet. They don't know that, of course. They do not know that they carry the genetic code of billions of future humans. They do not know that their choices in the coming hours will echo for millennia. All they know is that death is 6 meters long, moves in deathly silence, and has already devoured half the group in the last dry season. The male that carries grasses freezes. Your primitive brain processes the impossible. Running away means certain death. Climbing trees is just postponing the end. Fighting alone is suicide. But there is something more. A third option that has never existed before in the African savanna. From the top of the rocky cliff, the others watch. Their primitive eyes meet. There are no words. There are no elaborate plans. But there is communication. Quick gestures, urgent grunts, notes to the stones, to the canyon, to the approaching serpent as an inevitable sentence. And then what separates primates from hominids happens, which turns victims into survivors, which explains why you're reading this today and it didn't go extinct 3 million years ago. They choose not to run away. They choose to fight, together. The snake does not understand. Solitary predators never understand cooperation. For her, they are just fragmented prey, fragile bodies to be swallowed one by one. She glides confidently towards the scattered group, but hominids aren't randomly fleeing. They are leading, directing, turning the terrain into a weapon. Every desperate run has a purpose. Every high-pitched cry is coordination. Every stone in his hands is a promise of revenge. And when the snake finally realizes that it is no longer the hunter, it is too late. The canyon awaits. The rocks are ready. The weak arms prepare to fling with the force of multiplied desperation. But the crucial moment has not yet arrived. The fatal blow has not yet been delivered. The turning point that saved our species from extinction is yet to happen. Why did those early hominids succeed where larger and stronger creatures failed? What secret of evolution was revealed on that cliff 3 million years ago? The answer lies in the next scenes of this ancient battle. But before showing the exact moment that changed the fate of humanity, leave your like and subscribe to the channel. Because what you will witness in the next few minutes will reveal the hidden truth about why we, and not them, inherited the Earth.